She is very excited this morning.
I think it's because the pain's over.
She loves a lizard. And it's getting kind of dirty. She's so cute. Mocha, whoa! She's got red eyes. Oh.
It's too early for this.
Good morning.
Morning.
Guess what we have today?
Yeah.
Tap.
It's the time.
Okay, Mark is just there killing Pascal. She's loving him.
Oh my gosh, you have...
This is all the junk I've got for her. No, we didn't chew it. We've got snoods, puppy pads, socks, outfits, and we're going to put one on her. And I think I'm going to choose the unicorn one. Unicorn trainer. So cute. No! No! You don't chew the unicorn jumper! Okay, I hate to do this, but it's time to rip off the tag. Agony. Oh. Okay, here it is. I'm gonna put it on her. Okay, there's her little unicorn outfit. No, she's weirded out by it.
She's scared of squeakies.
So much. Put a hoodie on. She looks like a unicorn. Okay, we'll take that off.
She's scared of squeakies.
Okay, she's eating her food, and then right after she eats her food,
We're gonna
try and put these shoes on her and see what happens.
They're Converse.
And a little baseball cap, but I am gonna take off her unicorn outfit. She's got one shoe on and the hat, but she's discovered the shoelaces, so she's chewing on her own foot. I don't know if we're gonna get the rest on, but we're gonna try. 2 shoes on, successful. No! But she doesn't have a hat on. It was kind of dark last time I showed it, but here is the puppy collar and lead set she got in her puppy pack. It's so cute.
I didn't see. Eee.
Look at this precious puppy. So cute. She's so cute. So, guys, I don't know if you noticed, you probably did, but I got a new intro. Yes. Well, we have a new intro. And it's got Mocha all over it. Because she's the coolest puppy. And she is the star of the vlog. So, yes. It's Mocha and me now. Hey. What is it? I don't know. She's looking at birds, I think. What is it?
What is this beast?
And I saw this on the video. Daisy's in this one too. She's like, oh my god, somebody.
What is it? It's Izzy's mom.
I was just lying down watching
She's not.
YouTube.
Margaret doesn't even care. She lived with cats.
Okay. They've started to eat.
Oh,
Sister.
hang on.
Look, it's Izzy.
Marga, look. What is it? Oh, I knew she would hiss. Margaret's not even worried. Marga, what is it?
Don't.
Margaret doesn't care at all. And put it to Marga. Marga, Izzy. Look at the size difference in them.
Yeah.
There's only 3 weeks difference.
5 weeks.
Ready? Get out. Hang on. Ready? Look. Marga.
It's
a kitty. She's not even, she's a bit scared, I think.
Okay.
Sure, Izzy?
Hot.
Yeah, what is it?
She's like, oh.
It's a kitty.
Do you guys have her socks?
Izzy, look. Margaret doesn't care. Look at the size difference. Like, Margaret's like, okay, what is this?
Only 3 weeks difference.
Look.
Izzy could use Marco as a Battlefield 3 map.
Pillow.
Okay, Mocha, sit out the front while we do some dancing. Bye-bye, I'm gonna miss you.
You're gonna have to get her used to it.